think so. Could you put a best fit line on it?
Yeah, probably.
Good. Say that again. Amber. Good, good. I'm going to go ahead and do it if it's okay with you guys. Don't do this. Don't do what I'm about to do. So there's the best fit line. And that's what it looks like. So here's the problem. Here's the problem is blind application of mathematics will sometimes give you answers. And the answers don't mean anything. And that's kind of a problem. It's kind of a problem. There's a famous article, statistical article, which means that nobody here likes it, it's okay, by a guy named Anscombe, who made 4 data sets, all of which looked horrifically different. Dina, you actually know this is 244. All 4 data sets, one looked like that, one was a perfect line, one was a differently tilted line with a weird goofy out point. Every single one of those data sets you could fit the exact same best fit line to. So, yes, you can do it, but maybe you shouldn't do it, yes? Maybe you can do something, but maybe you shouldn't do that. I think this is a good case in point of that we should not do a best fit line. Yes, I'm thinking it's not a best fit line. Fair enough? Good, good. Okay, so let's turn that one off. Clear. Relook at here's our plot. It curves, yes? Aaron, what was your vote last time? I loved it. You remember?
Yeah, I think what I noticed was that it seems like it started high.
Yes.
And then it went low, and then it went high again.
And what does that?
Parabolas.
Parabolas, yes.
But
Parabolas. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I used the cubic.
Oh, everybody, try the parabola first. Let's do exactly what Erin is talking about, okay? First, she went with the parabola, and then she changed it to cubic. So everybody run the parabola real quick. Erin, I love your ideas. Thank you. I'm going to mute the screen. We don't need that right now. So let's run the quad reg. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Amber. So this is why the little booklet that you have in front of you is so nice. The only thing changing now is what reg we're regging. Well, in this case, we're going to try parabola and see if parabola fits it. Okay, so let's try it. Quad reg's right under lin reg. Yes, very nice. I'm going to stick it in Y1 again. Why are we putting it in Y1 every time?
Makes it easy so we don't have to input it manually.
Oh, good lord, because who wants to type all that crap? I don't. This way you just press graph and it's there. There it is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wait a minute. Okay, it fits it okay. I can live with that. Problems with the fit. What do you think?
Well, you get negative numbers.
Well, you get, good. Tom noticed you get a negative number first of all, which is a bit of a problem. You can't have negative results. So that's a little bit of an issue. But you know what? Because the TI doesn't know that we were flipping coins, it might not know that you can't have it. But that is a concern. Yes, I like that concern. Good. What's another potential problem with this model? In particular, friends, with the fact that it goes back up. What's the problem? Aaron, what's the problem with the fact that it's going back up? How does that deviate from what we actually saw yesterday? And it might help to remember what X and Y are. What is X? Number of times we flipped a coin, right? This is the number of flips until we got heads, I think, right? I think it was heads. Jeremiah, you called it, right? Until heads. And this was, who was this over here?
Number of people.
Number of people still flipping. So what's the problem with a parabola that goes back up? What does that imply should have happened yesterday?
The number of flips should have gotten higher.
We should have seen more 10s, 11s, 12s, and 13s because the graph's going back up, which almost, now this is where it gets counterintuitive, it makes it seem like we should have zeroed out and then picked people back up again. Does that make any sense? It can't make any sense. That can't make any sense at all because once they're gone, you stop flipping. So we need a model that doesn't go back up. I'm going to pause here momentarily. I love your cubic idea, especially because you guys just got done doing it Usain, right, with the cubic. So I want to come back to him too. But let's come over here real quick. Okay. Stop